Greetings everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH, your YouTube channel where we solve problems on math. Today we have a problem on proportion. You can pause the video, attempt the question, and come back to the video. Alright, so today we are going to look at this simple problem. I'm going to read out the problem so that we now look at it. The question says, given that R is directly proportional, okay, to L, okay, directly proportional to L and inversely proportional to P. Alright, so quickly let's get what those two statements mean. Alright, so say R directly proportional to what L and what R is also what inversely. When we say inversely, you must write 1 over. That's the I, this inverse. Okay, so to P. Alright, so we can merge these two. So R is what directly proportional to L, okay, and inversely proportional to P. Or I can say R is directly proportional to L, okay, multiplied by what? 1 over P. So what will this give us? So this is what? R, okay, is directly proportional to 1 times L is what? L over what? P. So from this, we bring our equal to sign to replace this. So we are going to multiply by what? K, a constant. So K will multiply what? L over what? P. So that gives us the relationship or the law connecting R, L, and P. So we can simply write this as what? R is equals to KL over what? P. Alright, but the question says when R is 3, L is 9, and P is what? 0.8. So when R is 3, so I'm going to substitute R as what? 3. Okay, so R is 3 is equals to K. Alright, L is what? 9. Okay, divide by what? Our P is what? 0.8. Okay, so having gotten that, we can now solve for K. Alright, we can now solve for K. First, I want to multiply here by 0.8 and here by 0.8. So this will strike out, this is 1. So we have this, which is what? We can write this as what? In fraction, this means 8 over what? 10 times what? 3 over 1. So we have K times 9 will give us what? Will give us 9K. Alright? To further solve this part, we are going to see 8 times 3, okay? We have 8 times 3 divided by 10 is equals to 9 or K. Alright, so what do we do? Alright, so I'm going to solve this and get K. So how do we get K? This can be written as over 1. Alright, so I'm going to times all this, okay? I'm going to divide both sides by 9. Okay, so if I divide both sides by 9, I have 8 times 3 over 10, okay? Alright, divide by 9 is equals to what? 9K divided by 9. So these will cancel out, this is 1, okay? So let's see what the value of K is. So K is equals to what? We have all this, which is what? 8 times 3 all over 10. This will change to times, and we can invert this over 1, so it becomes 1 over 9. Alright? So from this, is there anything that can cancel out? Right, let's check. 3 here is 1, 3 here is 3. So my K is equals to 8 times 1 is 8, and 10 times 3 is what? 30. So our value of K is what? 8 over what? 30. All right, so we want to input it back into our initial equation. Remember, we had that r is equals to what? KL all over what? P. So r will be equals to k is what? 8 over 30 multiplied by what? L over what? P. So this is the law connecting what? R, L, and P. But the question says we should what? We should find R when L is what? 15 and what? P is what? 1.8. So it means our R, okay, since R is already subject, we are going to say R is equals to what? R 8 over 30 times what's our L? L is 15, so R 15 divided by what? Our P is what? 1.8. 1.8. So we are going to solve this to get our R. So I can see 15 can go here 1, 15 here is 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4. So our R is equals to 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1.8 is what? 1.8. Alright, so let's further simplify this. So R means what? 4 divide 1.8 also means 18 over 10 in fraction. So this can be 4 over 1. So my R is equals to 4 over 1. This will change to times. This goes up and this comes down. So we have 10 over 18. Alright, so from that we can cancel out. Okay. So 2 here is 2. 2 here is 9. Alright. So we have 2 times 10 is going to give us what? 20 over what? 9. But we're not going to give our answer at this. Okay? So 20 over 9 also becomes what? We have two whole number, which is 18. Okay, 18, we are going to add additional 2 to get what? 20. So 2 whole number, 2 over 9. That gives us the answer to this question. But most times in your exams, you may also be required to keep your answer in decimal form. Alright, so R can also be 2 point what? Alright, if I put the point, let's check it. So 9, 2, so 0 point. Okay, we have 0 here. So 9 into 20 is how many times? It's actually 2 times, which is 18. Subtract this is 2, 0, so 2.2. So this is going to give us our answer to this question. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share the video to students, friends, family members, and whomsoever this video could be of help to, okay?